Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Cybersecurity with Rashmi. Today we'll be learning a core concept in the field of cybersecurity and it's called the AAA. It stands for Authentication, Authorization and Accounting. So whether you are a beginner or you just need a refresher, you absolutely need to understand this topic. So let's just break it down. So the first topic is authentication, and it's all about answering one very simple question, which is who are you? So the system is going to ask you things like username, password, maybe your fingerprints, if you have a PIN setup, your passphrases, or maybe your face recognition and so on. And the system is going to authenticate you only if you are who you are claiming to be. For example, if you give your username and password, the system is going to check if it exists in their database or not. For example, when you're trying to log into your phone, the phone is able to recognize your face, etc. And this is how authentication takes place in real life. So next comes authorization, and authorization is as simple as having the permission to access something. For example, if you're an authenticated user, you now have the permission to access a platform. But what type of platform can you access? So here's the catch. It all depends on the type of user you are and the type of system you're accessing. For example, if you're a bank customer, you can access your account portfolio. You can do money transfer from one account to another. And similarly, if you're a bank employee, you can now request a home loan on behalf of another customer. You can do KYC maintenance on another customer. So this is what authorization is all about. So it lets people see what they are permitted to see. Now finally we have accounting, and accounting here means tracking user activity and user activity in their particular system. For example, if you logged into their platform, when did you log in, when did you log out, and for how long did you do it? So let's simplify it and understand it by taking an example. Supposedly you go to a hotel. So what is the first thing that you do when you go to a hotel? You probably check in, and then during your stay you might access hotel things like you might have lunch there, you might have your breakfast there, and so on. And then at the end you check out. So the hotel keeps a track of what all things did you do while you were at the hotel, and they do all the accounting by when did you check in, what all hotel things did you access, and when did you check out. So this is what accounting is all about. Well, I hope now you understood what AAA is and how it keeps enterprises secure. If you have any more topics for me to cover next, please drop it in the comments. Until then, like and subscribe to my channel. Also share your support and see you in the next video.